Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your login password on Opodo account. So first we're going to go to our Opodo app. As you know, we can find it in the Play Store as well as the App Store. Then once we're in this page, we're going to click on our profile section on the top right corner. Then you're going to click on account and settings. So there's the option which says change password. You're going to click on it. So you're going to write your current password, then a new password. Then you're going to confirm that new password. Then you're going to click on confirm. So now as you can see, we've changed the password. That's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how-to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.